pages in the dashboard menu. Click Add New Page. I'm going to call Tutorial Contact Us page. I want there to be a sidebar, so I'm going to change the page layout and Divi page settings to no sidebar. I'm going to click Save Draft. The purple button decides to appear on the screen. I'm going to click it. The Divi Theme Builder button brings us to the Divi Builder. I'm going to actually choose a pre-made layout this time. Search Contact Us page. I'm going to choose Contact Page, a number of contact pages. I'm going to scroll until I find the digital marketing contact page. Some of these look interesting, like the music venue one, digital marketing contact page. Use this layout. Then I'm going to build on the front end. This I'm going to leave as it is, but I'm going to just change the content on the page. So I'm going to hide this, make it not visible. So I'm going to go into the section set, advanced, in the row settings, visibility, disable on phone, tablet, and desktop, save draft. The contact form I'm going to keep as it is. I'm going to go into the dashboard, go into Formator Pro. I'm going to create a form, contact form, use this template. I'm going to edit this, not just first name, John Smith, name, email address, message, let's preview it. So it's integrated from MailChimp. That's interesting. Once you publish the form, you get the short code. So I'm actually going to get rid of this. Delete it. With this, I'm going to delete. I'm going to add another module, text module. And I'm actually going to use another text module, not a form module. And I'm going to paste the shortcut. Click Save Draft. Give a button. I can actually change the button. So send message, maybe submit. Now it changed. I actually want to change the color, the button. I change button styling. Custom CSS, colors, submit button, background color. I actually want to make a green color. So green, red, RGB. So it's going to be FF00. I actually want it to be a darker green, with blue green, something like that, a darker blue green, something like that. And the text I want to make, I'm fine leaving it is a white color. So white color would be, again, if it's all zeros or all Fs, let's try all Fs. All zeros, excuse me, all Fs. All Fs is white. Select, update. Let's refresh this, see if it changes. And it does. Okay. And basically, the rest of it is just going to be changing the text. So enable visual builder. Contact us, let's build something. I'm going to change the text here. Text, I'm going to make left aligned, not center. There seems to be a lot of spacing. I'm going to make the spacing. Also seems to be centered. Okay, that got rid of all the extra spacing in the container. So let's build something. Let's say heading 1. So change that to green. Green is not a good color. I'm going to change that to what am I doing? Heading text. I don't want to make it blue or purple because that blends with the background too much. For the sake of things, let's just make it red. For this, I'm just going to skill as so businesses over 20 years we have a record helping small and medium sized businesses grow their businesses through digital marketing, through SEO services, SEO and web design services. I think I like the green color better. So we're going to design heading text, make it green. Let's try a darker lime green. Something like that. Click Save Draft. Okay, this I'm actually going to leave the same. This I'm going to go to the website and find the contact information for website promoters. That's our phone number. sales@websitepromoters.com. That is it. That is a basic contact page. Feel free to improve on the contact page in any way you like. That is the end of the video. Please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel.